Good afternoon, everyone. Microsoft just reported its quarterly earnings. The initial knee-jerk reaction is that Microsoft closed at $29.87. It dropped down to $28.63. And now it's come off of those lows in after hours. I will read you the Microsoft report that we have just gotten in is that the December earnings of 60 cents per share X items may not be comparable to first call of 59 cents. Revenues are 14.4% year to year to $19 billion, including a $1.7 billion deferred revenue versus the $17.84 billion consensus, which is very important. Q2 earnings for December, 60 cents per share, excludes a 14% positive impact from the recognition of that $1.7 billion deferred revenue relating to the Windows 7 upgrade operation program and pre-sales of Windows 7 to OEMs, retailers before general availability. The thing that we're going to be looking for here later in the report is that the initial headline number was they beat by a penny. The revs are ahead, 19.02 billion versus 17.8. So they beat on that revenue, but they beat that bottom line numbers only by a penny. And basically, there's going to be a conference call on Microsoft. I'm understanding that Microsoft guides its operating expenses now. That's what it costs to do business, to $26.2 billion to $26.5 billion for the full year ending June 30th of 2010. That's their full fiscal year there. And that's going to be their operating expenses, which is quite high. But when you have a company of that magnitude and developers and what it takes to run Microsoft, we'll find out if that's going to be a higher number or not. We just had another one that came out on the tape. SanDisk, SNDK, beats by 49 cents. Beats on revs. So that's the Microsoft picture. And the heavy tech related stock is not doing much as far as the report goes. SanDisk beat by 49 cents a share. We're not getting that big of a pop here in after hours. I will be updating people as far as the, which was a great number on SanDisk. Okay, that's a very good number. Going back to the Amazon earnings here. So we got Microsoft, Amazon, and SanDisk. And you can see here in the after hours ticks chart, we went short. We started covering some of the short out right in here. And it's popped back up here. And once again, we'll take another short on this Amazon trade as soon as it starts to roll over. In after hours trading, it's all about taking that short down and then buying when it runs up. Then we'll see how it runs down. So we just did the Microsoft earnings, and then we included the update in the Amazon. SanDisk beat handsomely. Stock is not popping like it should.